High Performing Buildings, October's Roundup. This week in FM's High Performing Buildings Roundup includes Singapore's newest biophilic skyscraper, Europe's largest coastal park, and the first commercial office space built using mass timber in Washington, D.C. Number 1. CapitaSpring. Singapore has a new addition to its skyline with the completion of CapitaSpring, a 280-metre tall skyscraper in the city's financial district. The tower reinforces Singapore's reputation as a garden city, housing over 80,000 plants in a total landscaped area of more than 90,000 square feet, equivalent to 140% of its site area. An 18-metre high open space at the foot of the tower creates shelter from the tropical sunlight and welcomes tenants into separate lobbies for the offices and residences. Number 2. ATM Street. ATM Street is the first commercial office building in Washington, D.C. to feature a vertical extension constructed using mass timber. The 108,000-foot addition designed by Hickok, Cole and Arup adds 3 full floors to the existing 7-story concrete building, including a penthouse level with additional office and amenity spaces, as well as a rooftop terrace. As a renewable material, timber carries a significantly lower carbon footprint than the conventional building materials like concrete and steel. Number 3. The Ellinikon Metropolitan Park. Designs for the Ellinikon Metropolitan Park and coastal front in Athens, Greece, have been unveiled. The development sits on the site of the former Athens International Airport and hopes to set a new global precedent for ecological restoration and carbon-conscious landscape design. The project will repurpose leftover materials for the build, including nearly 30,000 square meters of concrete from the former airport runways. In contrast to other European cities, which average roughly 40% public green space, Athens currently offers only about 10%. The Ellinikon will provide a much-needed destination for recreation, outdoor gathering, and immersion in the landscape, and is linked by public transit to serve the larger region. To read more about these commercial property projects, read the full article on our building, refurbishment and fit-out category.
Read more at TWinFM.com.